Hey everyone, that's right. Ryobi has announced their new revolution in power tools. What does that mean for you and your tools? Let's find out. Welcome back, guys. First off, I want to point out that it seems like there's more questions than answers, but here's what we know. The 18-volt ONE+ line now has high-performance tools. These are HP tools. So let's see what's going on here. This is a compact series of tools taking advantage of the brushless motor technology that are more compact and more lightweight than the previous brushed models. So this is really cool. I'm really excited for this new compact series, this new compact line of tools. One concern could be, depending on if they decide to move some of the other tools, if they're going to suffer because they are smaller and lighter weight. But in general, most tools will benefit and most users will really enjoy having a more compact, lighter weight tool in their arsenal. So what tools are they bringing to this new 18-volt ONE+ HP compact series? First up is the 3/8" impact wrench, 31% more compact, 29% lighter, and has 160 feet-pounds of torque with 4-mode control. Next up is the one-handed reciprocating saw. This one is 31% more compact, 24% lighter, and boasts 100 cuts per charge. Then there is the new compact cutoff tool. One-handed operation, cuts through metal, plastic, drywall, wire shelving, and tile. Then they have the 3/8" right angle drill. They claim it's the most compact 18-volt right angle drill on the market and 2 times more torque than the P241. Next on to the drill driver. This is 30% more compact, 20% lighter, and has the same 24 position clutch for maximum control. Last but not least is the 1/4" impact driver. This one has 3,800 impacts per minute and is 26% more compact, 23% lighter. So let's take a look at what that reduction in size actually means. If you look here, they're actually comparing this impact driver to the brushed counterpart. So if you look at the current brushless models, the reduction in size is not going to be as great. So what does this mean? If you have only brushed tools, these new compact brushless models are going to be a step in the right direction. If you already have the brushless tools, are you going to make the jump to this new compact line? Well, only if you need more compact tools. But what you're going to see is they're actually not going to be this great a reduction in size. So looking at each of these tools, one thing that you'll notice across the board is they have simplified these tools so that the LED light is under the grip. One thing that we really like about the previous brushed models is that they do have the things like the mag tray and the bit holder. Now, again, reducing the size, going to this compact series, that is something that it does look like they have removed. However, it does appear that they have a belt clip, or at least a belt clip option on most of these, which is nice. But in general, they did remove a lot of the other bells and whistles. Glad to see that they did keep the LED lights. And with the cutoff tool, they even added a second LED light in front, so you have illumination in front and behind. Again, there are a few questions that we have that we were not able to find answers to. One, it looks like they're including with the drill driver kit and the 2-tool kit, they're including 18-volt lithium batteries, not lithium plus, not HP. So that seems like an interesting choice in batteries to include, other than the fact that these are going to be their lightest weight batteries. They're able to achieve that very, very low weight. Again, based solely on the pictures here, it looks like these are just standard 18 volt lithium 1.5 amp hour batteries. They do have the LED indicator so you can see the charge level, but it does not appear that they are HP or even lithium plus. So an interesting choice, again, other than just getting the weight down. It seems like that may be the sole purpose, is just getting the weight down. But in general, I think reaching for an HP battery is going to be more advantageous with these brushless tools. Along those same lines, unfortunately, it doesn't show the contacts, so it doesn't show if these even have the option to take advantage of the HP batteries, that high performance, the connectors on the battery terminal, but I would assume, being that they're brushless, they should have them. That's also an unknown based only on the pictures so far. So guys, again, unfortunately, there's not much else to look at or talk about here as far as these tools until we really get our hands on them and try them out. As you can see, all of these say that they are coming soon. So hopefully we'll see them in stores very soon and be able to get our hands on them and try them out. It doesn't even show the prices yet, so not able to see how much these are gonna run or start at, but really excited for this new compact line. Again, one of the things that we like the most about the Ryobi platform is that 18 volt ONE+, the fact that they've stayed with it for several decades now and are investing even more into a compact line instead of changing and going to a smaller battery platform for a smaller line. This is really cool. It means that even more tools now have the ability to use the exact same battery that we've seen for years. Let us know in the comments, are you excited for this new compact line? If so, what tool do you want to see made compact? Obviously, we'd like to see all of their tools become brushless. And while the compact line isn't for everybody, it does make it nice that you can grab any tool and throw in the same 18 volt ONE+ battery. Really looking forward to trying these out, seeing how they compare and stack up against their brushless and their previous models. But that's it for today until we get our hands on them. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.